back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We're going to get straight into it. The link to this page, if you do want to put that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, this job lead is going to be data entry, entering a payment, so I thought I would share it because it might be good for someone. However, there are a few things to note about this job right off the top. The pay rate is $14.25 per hour, so that works out to $570 a week for a full-time 40-hour week, and that is before taxes are taken out. The other thing to note is the times they're wanting you to work is a little bit early. They're looking for someone to specifically start time at 2:30 a.m. on Monday morning, and then the rest of the week, Tuesday through Friday, your start time would be 4:30 a.m. So this job is really for those of you who are night owls and already up because you haven't been to sleep, or you're really early morning people. But if that is you, the company SMI is looking for a data entry operator to work from home. Now, they are specifically looking for somebody to be responsible for processing child support payments in the state disbursement unit system according to their standard policies and procedures. So you're going to maintain a general understanding of their policies and procedures. You're going to have great communication skills. You're going to have to be able to maintain the ability to collect, research, and organize and analyze data. So you're basically just going to be entering those child support payments for processing in the system, but you're going to have to be good at looking with the data and matching things up. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED, somebody who's 1 year experience in some kind of data entry or other related field, and of course, somebody who can enter and use a keyboard and mouse to enter data into the system with basic knowledge of those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, all of those things. One thing to note, you do have to have your own high-speed internet and be able to pass a background check and drug screening. Now, they do offer paid training, and it says that they have career growth opportunities within the company as well. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, please like and share this video so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.